Driving is an outlet. It's my stress reliever. I'm just in that moment. My name is Percy. I'm the CEO of Connected Strategy Advisors, and I drive a race car on the weekends. There's a saying in the racing industry that races are won at the shop. For every hour that we spend at the track, we would spend 8 hours at the shop getting ready. The older I get, it's becoming more about being organized. So an enclosed trailer was a no-brainer for us. The tow assist was pre-installed on the trailer when we purchased it. It was almost like buying insurance. It's one of those things that you're glad you have it when you need it. And so for me, it's that comfort of knowing that should the trailer sort of get squirrely behind me for one reason or another, that the tow assist is going to take over and keep it right behind the vehicle. We've had a couple of occasions now where the tow assist engaged and did its job, where we came upon a vehicle at a very high rate of speed and they were in the middle of the road without lights on. And the trailer stayed right behind me, right where it was supposed to be. And for that, I'm fortunate. Then it was worth every penny at that point in time. We look for durability and obviously reliability, and we're looking for quality ultimately. And so we want to make sure that when we need these tools, that they're available to us, they're going to perform as expected, and that they're going to last for the money that we spend on them. The experience has been great with us, with the Dexter support, and so probably looking at upgrading a trailer at some point in time, and we'll definitely be coming back for more of the good stuff.